really miss Anne-Marie.
Okay, and let's...
How come Anne-Marie's not showing up anymore?
Oh, her freaking 2-week-old baby.
Go ahead and roll.
Yeah, right. You know, you gotta expose the baby to the world. What's going on here?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Alright. Come on, Tyler, get out of there.
If Molly were here, she would say, hurry.
Oh, shit. I want to record this on my camera.
I'll be Molly. Step back. Honey, step back right now. Hurry up.
Hey, you're not wearing any safety glasses.
Where are your safety glasses?
I'm back.
Molly's not happy.
Oh, I'm not doing that.
We're all like behind this little Maginot line here.
Because that'll make all the
Yeah.
difference.
Here comes baby.
Oh!